In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download apps from Google Play Store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right app, install it safely, and open it with confidence. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. Look for the triangular multicolor icon labeled Play Store on your home screen or in your app drawer. When it opens, make sure you're signed in to your Google account so downloads are saved to your device and linked to your library. You can quickly confirm this by tapping the profile icon in the top right. If it's not the account you want, switch to the correct one before moving on. Next, search for the app you want. Tap the search bar at the top and start typing the name. For example, a social app, a game, or a productivity tool. As you type, suggestions will appear, which can speed things up. Tap the app name you're looking for to see the full list of matching results. Now, choose the right app from the results. Tap the one you're interested in to open its details page. Take a moment to review the star rating, read a few user reviews, and swipe through the screenshots to see how the app actually looks. The description tells you what the app does, the download size helps you gauge storage needs, and the update date shows how actively it's maintained. If multiple apps share a similar name, checking the developer name can help you pick the official one. When you're ready to get it, install the app. If it's free, tap install, and the download will begin automatically. If it's a paid app, tap the price button and follow the on-screen prompts to complete your purchase securely. You'll see a progress bar while it downloads. A stable internet connection, whether Wi-Fi or mobile data, keeps things smooth. If you receive a storage warning, consider deleting unused files or apps before trying again. Once the installation finishes, tap Open to launch the app immediately, or find it later on your home screen or in the app drawer. The first time you open it, the app may request permissions, like access to the camera or location. Only allow what makes sense for how you plan to use the app, and remember you can adjust permissions later in your device settings. That's it. You've searched, reviewed, installed, and opened an app from the Google Play Store. If you follow these steps each time, you'll download apps confidently and keep your device running smoothly.